Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. This week's stamping collab was hosted by Maniology, and these are the manicures we prepared. At the end, I'll have individual photos and you can find links to their videos in the description box of mine. I already had a blue manicure on my nails, but instead of removing it, I decided to just apply more polish over them. Over these nails, I applied this beautiful WetnWild Megalast nail polish, and it's a shimmer. This one is called Lava Brew. And on the other two nails, I applied this one, which is a nail polish that I mixed. And I'll show you guys what it looks like in the bottle. It's really pretty. As I was going through my stamping plate collection, I was really surprised to find that I have quite a few images of squirrels. I found this really cute one on this plate, some cute little acorns on this Beauty Big Bang plate, another individual squirrel on this plate, and lastly, one little squirrel here and a little acorn too. This one is HK06, and of course I'll have everything listed in the description box of the video. And now I'm going to go ahead and stamp a few squirrels and acorns on my nails. No! Since it's not transferring over to my nail because the polish is completely dry, then I'm going to go ahead and apply a little bit of foil glue. And since I'm going to stamp on this nail too, I'm going to go ahead and apply it on this nail already. What I like about this foil glue is that when it dries, it turns clear, so you know it's ready. Now that it's dry, I can stamp the squirrel. I'm going to try stamping it one more time. Instead of using the acorns, I decided to use branches, and I think this looks really pretty. Now I'll apply my Born Pretty No Smudge top coat to seal in the stamping. Here's the completed design. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!